And now for something completely different. Got my hot liner here. Well, warm liner. It's not that powerful. But it gets up. Yeah. 3 seconds of motor run is about all you need. Motor off. Pylon turn. Running it on a 4-cell 1500 pack, 1300, and pulling about 80 amps with the motor on. Got a thermal over there. Let's join in.
Feet. 1.6 meters per second. Minus 2.6 meters per second.
Fell out of it.
258 feet.
Thermals are moving fast today with this wind. There it is.
0.7 meters per second.
Oh, only a 0.7 climb. It's pretty bad. Alright. It's getting pretty far away. You probably can't even see it on the camera. You can probably hear it now. I need a little more expo in the elevator. When it's going that fast, the elevator is wicked sensitive. It's not surprising really, but it's got a pretty wide speed range, but it does not like to go super slow. It'll bite. The acceleration's pretty phenomenal though when you hit it. You know what I haven't tried since I put rudder on it is a snap roll. I'll get a little more altitude because I don't know what it'll do. Got some speed. Oh yeah, it snaps. Whoa. Yeah. Only wanted one, got like 3. more climb and while away the... Oh! Well, we're done. I think my prop just spun on the shaft. Spoilers. Gonna be walking for this one. Didn't get to set up where I wanted to. Alright, well that was interesting. Yeah, I think I know what that was. That was the motor shaft, or the prop spinning on the motor shaft. It's a good thing I didn't lose it out there in the weeds. Alright.